drag out.
Now it finally wants to record.
Well, it should be recording it.
It's recording now.
No. It's holding though. It's probably a huge skate. He took off running really hard at first. I didn't know, I thought I had a damn snag or something, but he's holding pretty tight. Real heavy. Coming up. I'm pulling him. Watch it be a tin can. I'm dragging him.
Never knew it could be a crab trap.
Here he comes. He's starting to come up. Oh. Is that my phone? All right, he's coming up. He's starting to come up. See the line, John?
Yeah, Dad. Here he comes.
I got a
Ooh,
shark.
Holy crap!
Look at this. A shark and a huge skate.
Look at that crap.
Are you kidding me?
Oh crap. Catherine, we need
Catherine, look at this.
come look at the size of this skate.
There he goes. He's trying to take the drag. John, are you recording or are you looking?
I'm recording.
There he goes. He's trying to run. There he goes again. I'm holding him. I'm trying. I don't want to lose him. I'm trying to get him up here.
They say you can cut this.
Where's the gas? No, get those. Do me a favor, Kevin. Where you at?
Move all
Get
that.
those poles out. Get those boxes out of the way, because we're gonna have to gap them. I'll have to hand this to you when we get it up.
Got it.
I want to gap it. I don't want to lose my stuff.
Going up under.
I mean, you got the pole completely bent in half.
Yep.
This is unreal. There
Woo.
he goes. He's running. He's running. Try and get him back there. Boy, he a fighter, boy. Woo. If I could just tire him out. There he goes. Ugh.
Under the boot. I think he's got tired out.
Yeah, I mean, I figured he'd be tired by now.
Probably gonna be like one of them little fishing things. Took about an hour. Captain, grab that. Put it over there.
Woo! He's still holding.
There.
There he goes.
There.
He's taking the drag again. Oh! Woo!
Here, Captain.
He's wearing me out. There he goes. He's pulling on that drag again. Come on, girl. I want my rig back.
I'm moving the bait board.
Huh?
Said I'm moving the bait board so I can get there.
That's why I'm watching it. They're going to have to sick to their stomach. falling through the line, is it?
That's
Get
trouble.
your ass up here.
Oh,
it's a fucking man. Is that a ray? Is that a ray?
yeah.
Or is that a
Skate or a
Is that
ray?
a skate or a ray? I just saw black and white.
I did too. I saw his stomach. I saw black on the tail.
Oh shit! Get John. John, there it is. There it is. There it comes.
That's a ray.
Here, Kevin. Come over here. Hold your hand right there.
Ray.
I'm gonna help you. I'm starting to tire him out. Reel, Catherine, reel. Reel.
Woo-hoo.
Look out.
I'm up.
The shark, he's gone. He broke the hook off the shark.
Hey, look at the size of that thing. That's bigger. That's bigger than the other one.
It makes you kind of wonder, how did this guy stay on the hook, but the shark got up? Where's, alright, there it is there. We got pliers? Whew!
You can cut his wings off and put him back.
You're making people sick, man. It's going up, down, up, down, up, down. Let's open that, see that bottom one. Yeah, that'll work. Whew!
Got hooked.
These might be too big, Tyler. We can't do nothing with these. We get small. Please.
I don't think we have our boat ones.
We got a small pair, man. We do.
Dang, yeah. That thing's bigger than the other one. Look at that chest. Bent the hook.
Well, he bent this. We're gonna have to reset it. Ow. I don't know if this will be any good, man. It's all bent up.
I haven't found more hooks.
Ain't the hook, it's the...
The size of that thing. How do you know? Look at that crab. Don't get stung, crab.
See this one here too. You got this one open. Well, this one popped open, and the shark, he started bouncing, and he got off. All right.
Whoa, watch this thing.
Look at the size of this thing, man. Woo, he's huffing. Hurry up and get the picture.